We just visited Steamboat Resort in Colorado and we had the best family ski trip. We were a family of 5 with kids ages 10, 7, and 2, and Steamboat Resort was an amazing fit for us. In this video, I'll go over all the details of our incredible ski vacation, including lots of fun things to do off the slopes. Steamboat is an awesome town that everyone can enjoy. One of the reasons why we chose Steamboat was because you can fly directly from Houston to Yampa Valley Airport. It is a short 2.5-hour flight, and you get to land in the middle of nowhere among the Rocky Mountains. This was the coolest landing! Wasn't that fun? For this trip, we rented a car, but there are shuttles available from the airport to the resort. Steamboat is a 4-hour drive from Denver, but a super easy 30-minute drive from Yampa Valley Airport. We stayed at the beautiful Steamboat Grand Hotel. It is a great location at the ski base with easy access to lifts. The hotel is absolutely gorgeous with awesome amenities like restaurants, a spot to rent your ski gear, a heated pool and spa, and a fitness center. Downtown Steamboat is a short drive away along with a grocery store and pharmacy for all of your needs. We absolutely loved this hotel. Here is a little tour of our room. We actually had 2 connecting rooms, and this first main room had a big living and dining space with incredible views outside of this window you'll see right here. And you'll see as the camera turns, we had a full kitchen so we could go get groceries and eat in the room if we wanted to. Off the side here, it was connected, so this is the second connecting room to 2 queen beds, and this is where the kids slept. Upstairs is where I am now in that first main room where there was a loft, and that room had a king-size bed and a full bathroom, as you'll see here. I also really loved the fireplace in this room. It made me feel so cozy and more amazing views out the window. This was one of the most spacious and awesome hotel rooms we have ever stayed in. We loved it so much. The ski base area is a quick 5-minute walk across the street. The mountain itself is huge with 165 trails. It is one of the biggest ski mountain resorts in North America. It is 3,668 feet of vertical and 2,695 skiable acres of terrain. The snow is described as champagne powder. It is so soft and fluffy. It snowed a few days when we were there and it was absolutely gorgeous. And our family has different levels of skiers, and we found that this mountain was great for all of our needs. My husband Greg is an advanced skier, so he went off on the slopes alone, but my 2 oldest girls and I needed lessons. That's where the Steamboat Snow Sports School came in, and we give them an A+. My girls were enrolled in 2 days of group lessons, and I had 2 days of private lessons. My instructor Laura actually had me on a green trail, as you see here, at the end of my first day, and I cannot believe how much we all learned in such a short time. Laura was so helpful not only with me, but my entire family. And you can see my oldest Kennedy here has been rocking the slopes at the end of our 2 days. She was going down with ease, just going so fast. I was so proud of her. Riding the chairlift together.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Lessons are definitely a must if you're a beginner, and we had a blast learning and skiing. Greg also had a great time exploring the trails and going at his own pace, and maybe we'll get on his level the next trip. But what about the 2-year-old, you ask? Well, he was at Happy Camp. This is another reason we chose Steamboat. It gave us peace of mind that everyone was able to learn and ski while also having Logan, our 2-year-old, in a safe and fun environment to be cared for. Make sure you visit my blog post linked in the description for more details on Happy Camp. There are lots of yummy dining options in Steamboat, both in the ski resort and downtown, which is a short 5-minute drive. Two of our favorite spots downtown were Mazzola's, which was family-style Italian, and Salt and Lime, which was kind of a Mexican fusion with lots of fun tacos. Make sure you visit my blog post to see some more recommendations that I have, and I also highly recommend ordering pizza and eating in after 2 busy days of skiing. That hit the spot for sure. Another thing that hit the spot after skiing, a massage at Rocky Mountain Day Spa. If you really want to pamper and treat yourself, book one for yourself, and your sore muscles will thank you. I loved it. A fun activity we enjoyed as a family off the slopes was the Old Town Hot Springs in downtown. It was a quick drive from our hotel and very easy and fun to do as a family. There are also slides, a rock wall, and a lifeguard on duty. It was a fun little afternoon escape. On the last evening of our vacation, we did the sleigh ride dinner at Haymaker, and if this is not on your bucket list, it definitely needs to be. Haymaker is only a few short minutes from the ski base, and in spring and summer months, it is a golf course, and in winter months, they have this amazing sleigh ride dinner events. 2 stunning draft horses pulled us through as the Colorado sunset wowed us. Afterward, there was a delicious 4-course dinner, and it truly was the perfect ending to our trip. What was your favorite part of Steamboat?
Going down the Steamboat on the chairlift.
On the chairlift? Logan, what was your favorite part? What was your favorite?
Hot springs, the pool, and skiing.
Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The skiing was pretty incredible.
My favorite part was learning how to ski for the first time. Overall, Steamboat Resort was the perfect fit for our family for a winter vacation. We had so much fun both on and off the slopes, and everything was super family friendly. We hope we can return soon. If you want more details about our trip, make sure to visit my blog post linked in the description. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.